Oh, finally. Yeah, that was awesome. I was trying to brainstorm ideas for what video I wanted to make for today, and I got a 407 that was 14.3 TPS. That's some of my highest TPS ever, so let's break it down. So, the first thing that I see is I'm looking at yellow cross. These are 2 moves away, D prime, L prime. So those are my first 2 moves. And then I noticed that this would be here, and I could make this into a block for my X cross. And then I have this pair after this X cross is done, and I looked ahead to this because I know I'm going to do R prime U R, and that won't break this up, and then U L U L prime also won't break this up. So this is my next pair. And now I can see that these pieces are right here, which is good because after you solve this pair, this will just be a 3 mover. And you can see that right here. When we insert this pair, these 2 pieces are also going to be touching each other. And then from here, I did U and then R prime U2 R. The reason for that is because that finger trick is a little weird. So R prime U2 R or L U2 L prime is how I insert in the back whenever possible. And then I get this OLL case, and this is one of only 2 OLLs that I will actually do EO to ZB for consistently. The only other one is this one. So something similar about these 2 cases. You can actually see that if you do the 3 cycle OLL, let me get a cube. 5x5, why not? If you do this 3 cycle OLL, all the corners stay in the same spot, and this edge goes down here. So you can basically see 5 out of the 6 pieces that you need to see in order to go straight into ZBLL. So I'm going to give you an example on this OLL. So this is going to go right here, and this piece is going to go over here. So we're going to have red's going to be over here with the orange. This is going to go down here. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be, I could be wrong, but it's harder to predict beforehand. Hold on, I can get there. Is it this one or the inverse? It's the inverse. This one. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's going to be this ZBLL with a block here, here, and then, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to be once I do the 3 cycle. So let's watch it. This edge is going to go here. This edge goes right here. Yep, I was right. So block right there, and then this is the COLL angle. That's another way you can differentiate it, but that was the example. And then what I actually saw in the solve is this is going to go down here, and then I know this is going to be a T ZBLL, A, because the corners are right here and the right here, but B, because the 3 cycle is only going to affect these 3 edges, and I'm looking ahead to my ZBLL no matter like what case, what OLL case I'm in, whether it's that soon F sexy F prime one or this awkward case. So when I did that, or when this popped up, I'm instantly like, okay, it's going to be same, opposite, and that there's going to be a H perm block right here. So that means I'm about to see this on my cube. And the way that you do that is you kind of a corner commutator, take this edge out, and then you solve the F2L pair. So the entire last layer looked like this. 3 cycle, and then U2 straight into the ZB. So sped up, it looked like this. And oh my gosh, 407 on that scramble felt unreal. It definitely helped that there were no rotations throughout the entire solve, but that last layer was some of the most insane turning I've ever had. So yeah, there was your analysis for today. See you tomorrow.